Quick video today on something cheap. This item is less than £10. I'll put an Amazon link below. You can get them from eBay as well. It's a Scart to HDMI converter, so contents in there first. USB to DC power to power up the device. That is the Scart converter itself. That is pretty much it. So look, a quick close up of the device there. Make sure you get Scart to HDMI. You can get the other way around. Scart input that end, and that is your 1080 or 720 resolution selector. HDMI output, power light there to show it's powered, and the power input for that lead that goes DC to USB. So looking at it, we'll just unwrap this lead. Okay, so you see DC 5 volts there. That's the USB power in. This end can go to your TV. You should have a USB socket on the TV. If not, you can use a mobile phone charger to power that up. Then we've got a HDMI lead, goes in there and to the television. So that inputs into whichever HDMI socket. So say we choose HDMI 3, that will become the channel for this device. Separate adapter here, so we've either got Scart straight in from VCR or DVD player or whatever old devices into there like so, or if it's Nintendo Wii, PlayStation, old camcorders, you can put a composite video adapter or Phono adapter, so that's Phono to Scart, set that to input and into the socket there, so I can then put the coloured red, white and yellow leads in and bring them out as HDMI. Next thing I'll do, I'll plug these into a TV and a video cassette recorder. We'll try it out, make sure we get a picture. We'll see where the leads go into. Like I say, or it could be Scart there to a VCR. Okay, looking closely at the back of my old TV here I've got. On a new one, you probably won't have these inputs and nothing to adapt to Scart into, so we'll pretend it is a new TV. So, back of my new Samsung or whatever, pick my HDMI input, doesn't matter which one, so I'll go say HDMI 1 for now. Then power to the device. So I've still got the device here, it wants power, so I can use USB out here, doesn't matter which USB either. So that's the unit powered. All that's left is the Scart socket there to whichever device I choose. Okay, so this is the back of an old Toshiba VCR I've got here, so it would simply just be Scart socket out, device is here still, Scart lead into it, that is it. So all I'll do in a minute, I'll actually plug these into the power, we'll spin it around, have a look, see the picture, and that is it. Like I said earlier as well, if it was a device like that we're using the red, white and yellow Phono leads, Phono adapter into there, and that is it. So input into there, output HDMI to the TV, it's all powered. Okay, everything plugged in, ready to go. TV on, eventually, old school. Okay, so pick the relevant channel, mine's already on it, I've plugged it into HDMI 1, that is the channel, no signal as yet, so turn the VCR on. That's it, I've got a picture. If I didn't get a picture, that resolution selector, 720 or 1080, pick which one ever works, it doesn't make a difference, just whichever works. Press play on the video, and that is it. So like I say, I'm using a video, but you can use whatever device, whether it's old DVD players, Nintendo Wii's, PlayStation 2s and other devices that use Scart or Phono. So that is all. Cool?